What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna have a look at our friend Gala Games, sitting at 0.02547, up 0.23, market cap 842 million, 24-hour 90 million. So have a small little head and shoulders. We've completed our wave 3, so I wouldn't be surprised now to pull back into our wave 4, probably at least to the 38.2 at 0.02423. Or excuse me, the 50% at 0.02340. It can bounce from here, but looking at the formation, I wouldn't be surprised, and also looking at BTC and Ethereum, that we pull back a little bit more before we see the bounce. We are currently in a long trade. Just waiting patiently for it to play out. So we pull back a little bit, we push up to that resistance, we put in the right shoulder, and then we see continuation back to the upside. That's what I think is likely for our friend Gala Games. We're currently in trades for Gala, Solana, Ethereum. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. When you sign up through my link, you get 10% back on every single trade on your fees. Just send me an email after you make your first deposit. Can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. And I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as Forex signals. We just hit 2 take profits. We did hit 1 stop loss. That's part of the game. We have almost 3,000 members here in the Discord. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.